How to automatically hide offensive comments on Instagram. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. So firstly what you have to do, you have to go to your profile picture and then click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and then click on the settings in the bottom in the top of this page. When you click on the settings, then you come to this page, and here you have to tap on the privacy settings. When you tap on the privacy, then in the interactions tab you can see the comments. You have to tap on the comments, and then you come to this page, and in the hide offensive comments, so you have to, in the filters tab you can see the hide offensive comments. If you are turned off, then you have to turn on the hide offensive comments, and it will automatically hide offensive comments on Instagram. And if you are using the manual filters that and if you are also in dis and if you are also getting annoying words from the some users, then you can easily block them, hide these specific words automatically by clicking on the manual filter in the bottom. You have to enable this. Then here you have to words type the words separated by commas. Let's see, if you are annoying by the good word, then you have to type the good and then bad and with the comma, and then you can do this. And after that, so that's it. So that's basically that how you can automatically hide offensive comments on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video and comment below that it works. Have a good day.